Janu Sirasana. Sit in Dandasana, legs stretched out, spine erect, hands beside the body, toes stretched in and knees straight. Bend your right knee and place the sole of your right foot on your left inner thigh, heel closer to the perineum and knee resting on the ground. Slowly lift up both your hands sideways. Touch your biceps muscle to the ear. Breathe in as you stretch your arms up. And while you breathe out, bend your body forward from the hip joint and try to catch your toes. Keep your knees straight, spine stretched, and touch your head to the knee. Remain here for a few breaths. Now, while breathing in, bring your arms up. And as you breathe out, bring your hands down and relax. Repeat on the other side. Janu Sirasana improves digestion, reduces the excess fat in the pelvic and abdominal regions, and detoxifies the body. It relieves you from mild back pain, shoulder and neck pain, menopause, and menstrual discomforts. This asana is highly beneficial for people suffering from insomnia, obesity, high blood pressure, and sinusitis.